everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing a first impressions and makeup look tutorial using the brand new Morphe x Saweetie collaboration, which I'm super excited about. This is the 24A Artist Pass palette. Yeah, I'm going to start off by just showing you what all the products in the collection are and what they look like. Then we're going to go straight into an eye lip tutorial, and then we're going to finish off with showing off the finished look. Let's do it. Okay, so I have basically managed to get my hands on this collection. I've actually been dying to get it because it just looks super colorful. I think we've all seen the palette going around, so this is what it looks like. Let me show you also what's in the box. So here is the palette. Oh my god, never used, never swatched. Let's have a look to see what's inside. And this is it. This is the color story. I'm so excited about it, and I'm not sure if you guys can see, but we have here, it's called Spotlight Stealer, and it's actually an eyeshadow that has loads of stars inside. I mean, it's pretty epic. I've never really seen anything else like that. The whole color story, I love that it's super bright at the bottom, and then it has almost like glitters just below it. So like green glitter, yellow glitter, blue glitter, and then more of a like warm summer vibe happening right here. So this is super exciting. I really want to do like quite a dramatic eye look today, so we're hoping that this will go really well. Also, I've literally just spent half an hour trying to figure out my light again. I don't know what happened, but I currently still do not have blinds, and it is a really hot sunny day right now, so it's super warm in the studio. It's like full heat happening in here, so we're gonna do like a hot heat palette look, kind of inspired makeup look. Okay, next up in the collection, we have this super cute bum bag, which is perfect for like the festivals. This is called the VIP Sweep by Saweetie, and it's a 6-piece brush collection and belt bag. Love this idea that you get it all in a little bag. Let's have a look to see what brushes we have inside. Okay, so in the bum bag, you get this little cute little paper pouch, and inside comes 6 brushes, living for the way that these look. And I think we all know how much I love Morphe brushes. I pretty much only use Morphe brushes, which is kind of shocking, but yes. Morphe, if you're watching this, I would absolutely love a discount code. Please let me know. And if you're watching this also, guys, we need to make this happen this year. We need to turn 2020 around and make it a good year for all of us. So it would be a dream come true for me to get my own ever Morphe code. I don't know if there's a Danny, but Danny would be great. Okay, so these are the brushes that you get in there. They look super cute. Something that's nice and fluffy, a little bit more of standard ones. And this, oh, what's this? Blow it out. And then also this, I've never seen this before, but it's almost like a little plastic spatula, and perhaps that's to kind of like pick up the star jelly and put it on your eyes. I don't know, not sure, but it looks really cool. I might have to give it a go and try it out now, let you know what I think about it. Next up in the collection, we also have these lip products. It's called Icy Lips, and this is a lip platinum trio. So you've got 3 different products in there as well. Looks super cute. And finally, we have this product, which is the Sweet Peach by Saweetie Continuous Setting Mist. Now, I'm assuming this is going to smell like peaches. Oh my god, it's a baby one. It's so cute. I'm not sure if this also comes in the full size, but loving that there's a little bit more of a travel size one to go. You guys already know how much I love this one, and just to give you a bit of a comparison, that is the kind of size difference, but oh, this is perfect for traveling. Perfect, and I love this. I really want to try this now. But we need to wait at the end. Okay, so now that I have shown you the collection, I have obviously done my base and brows off camera. So let's get cracking and do the look. Okay guys, so I'm gonna challenge myself. I really want to push myself outside of my comfort zone, and I feel like with the James Charles makeup look challenge, I truly pushed myself and I was so happy with the final result. If you still haven't watched that video, then I'm gonna pop it right here so you cannot miss it. I recreated one of James Charles' most iconic looks ever. It was not easy. It was really, really, really hard. But I have found something on Instagram that I was literally living for. And I have to give full credit to this girl who is stunning. This is the look that I basically... oh, no, that's scary. No, I lost it. Wait, let me try and get it back. So it is this girl here. She's so stunning. I'm going to pop her Instagram right here so you can check her out. Her username is StrassMe. I hope I'm saying that right. But her looks are insane and she's just really, really inspired me recently. I was blown away when I saw this look. I was like, girl, I wish I had more lid space. But I'm going to try and recreate it with a twist and do that. So yeah, if you're watching this, boo, this is for you. Okay, so I'm literally just gonna prep my lids with some of the P. Louise base in Rumor 02. This is a very important step, guys, because I want it to be cute. And I'm just gonna pop this on all over the lid, just with a really nice fluffy brush. Well, I'm already freaking out. Okay, so once both lids are primed like this, we are gonna be going in with our first color. Oh my God, I'm so scared already. So I'm really inspired by the packaging and how it's kind of like yellow to quite a bright pink. So I'm gonna start off with the yellow, the brightest yellow in here called Under the Sun. And we are gonna pack that on in the inner side of the lids. I feel like this is like more of a slightly neon yellow color. And the idea for me is because I've got such hooded eyes, I'm gonna try and bring it as out as possible. Okay, so I've literally just done that on both eyes. Now I am gonna be taking inspiration from this, so I wanna do it justice. So I'm gonna go in next with a pink or an orange. I'm not sure, there's no orange in this palette. So maybe we're gonna go in with this color here. It's called Indio Woa. I don't know if I'm saying any of this right. Okay, so she kind of used 3 shades. So I kind of don't want to be going too crazy with like 10 shades, which I feel like that's what I'm doing right now. Do you know what I mean? Like, why am I making this harder than it actually is? Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the bright pink. And this is gonna be on the middle. And I feel like this is why I really want the drama, guys. Drama. So I think my little tip would be not to take it so high right now, because obviously we want to do like this kind of flame effect. So just kind of get it on the lid for now, patting it on. Just any flat brush will be really, really cool. What I love about Morphe eyeshadows as well, this is just a standard. Like you always get that color payoff. And this is why I tend to gravitate to Morphe palettes all the time if I'm ever doing something quite bright. I just feel like the pigment and the buildability is always there. Okay, and finally I'm gonna go in with the purple in there, and this is called Major Inspo. Getting major inspo from this look. Yes. Okay, so we are gonna do this on the outside corner. Okay, so this is looking very cute. Wow, it's looking very carnival, like very colorful vibes. We're gonna do the same on the other eye. Okay, so obviously at this point it looks kind of strange. I'm not gonna lie, it looks very strange. It looks very rounded. I haven't blended anything out, so I look kind of crazy. So we're gonna use this brush that came in the collection. It's like a super small little brush. It has no number, but this is what it looks like. And we are gonna start drawing around a kind of like flame design. So we're going in back with those colors, kind of drawing in a bit of a flame. So again, I'm gonna start with the yellow. I don't feel like there's that much to do with the yellow, guys, because it's kind of like, oh, here we go. But why not? We're gonna go for it. And I'm gonna take it quite high, only because my lids are so small. And then I'm going in with the pink and just always trying to tap off the excess. Oh my God, this is so hard. Why am I doing this? Okay, so literally just trying to draw a flame on like the smallest lids going, but it's okay. And then we're gonna go in with our purple. Okay, it's getting there. It's not as good as the reference, but okay, let's do one eye first. Woo, okay, so at this point, this is kind of what it's looking like now. She left the under eye kind of clean, but I am slightly tempted to take some color there. Let me just have a look at what this is looking like. Do I take color there or not? I don't know. I think I'm gonna try and do some color there, guys. I'm gonna take maybe the same colors and go slightly down with orange. So I'm gonna create this kind of shade. Why am I doing this to myself? Am I doing the right thing? I don't know. Have I made this like a completely new crazy look? Okay, cool. So this is what it's looking like. It's looking a lot more intense. I'm not sure if that was the kind of thing I'm going for. But I really want to use these stars. Where am I going to put this? They're so pretty. I don't know where I'm going to put that. Okay, so next up we are going to outline. And I feel like this makes a huge difference. So she literally outlined it and I feel like that just cleaned it all up and brought it into shape. And she used some, it seems like cream products. So let me see what I have to clean this up with. If not, we're just going to outline it in black. Okay, I also noticed just now that in the reference photo, we have a little bit of black, but we don't have a black in this palette. So I'm going to use the darkest shade, which is this one right here. So like I said, it's not a black, guys, but it's just the darkest thing that I have. This is definitely not looking the same, but it's fine. We're here now. We're gonna do this. To outline the eye look, I'm gonna be using these liners from Fenty Beauty. They come in a selection of different shades and I just thought, perfect, let's go ahead and use this. So let's start off with the yellow. And I think the brighter the colors, the better, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, the heat in this room is a joke. I need to get like a fan, like a silent fan. So this is what it kind of looks like right now. And I think I'm gonna go over the outer bit with a black liner because I just feel like that would go really, really cute. So I'm gonna use the Morphe black liner for this. Ooh, I feel like that black liner really made a difference. I don't know if I should take it on the underneath though. Is that too much? Is it gonna crease? No, I think that's good. That looks good. Okay, cool. And then I might put a tiny bit of a black liner just across the lash line so that the lashes look like nicer. If that makes sense. Guys, is this going well? Am I just doing it? Okay, so liner done. That's kind of what it looks like. I'm kind of liking it. I feel like maybe with the lashes, it's gonna look quite cool. This is very hard for me. This is very challenging. We're pushing ourselves. I just want to take this off. Okay, we are gonna do the next eye and be right back. Oh my gosh. We've done both eyes. We have done both eyes. I feel like this has turned out to be a lot more of a like carnival look than I anticipated, but I am happy. I think I'm happy. It's okay. It could be better. I think I'm happy. It's a hard look. I feel like this would be just the most amazing look if someone had the biggest eyes and like the biggest eye space, but because you are looking at someone with slightly hooded eyes, I don't know. I think if I kept it top heavy, it would have been a slightly different vibe. It's a look, right? It's a look. I'm so not used to seeing myself like this. It's crazy. Okay, so for lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my Boo's lashes. This is Gary's Lash, the plastic boy with Allure. Bad and Bushy, the ones that I'm wearing today, honey. All right, so lashes are on. I personally feel like the lashes have literally just brought the look together. Honestly, living for it. So next up, we're gonna move on to lips. Like I said, there is a trio, so these look super juicy. Now, with such a strong eye, I am thinking to keep the lips a little bit more neutral, but we have this one, which is super stunning. It's like a golden, oh my God, it's so, so nice. I might have to keep that in my like little on-the-go bag. This one is a little bit more of a corally moment. I'm thinking maybe just keep them nude, you know? This is already a lot. So this is something that you will not hear me say often, but I think for this look, less is more. When have I ever said less is more? Okay, so for the lips, I'm actually gonna go ahead with this lip pencils called Sweet Tea. And I only ever discovered their lip pencils when I was in LA, and I actually went to one of like big Morphe stores, and then I literally saw all these lip liners, and they have the best nudes. Sweet Tea, Honeymoon, those are like my two favorite ones, but honestly, you need to check out the lip pencils. They are amazing. So I'm literally just gonna go ahead, line the lips. And what I've been doing recently is actually drawing on a line and then just using your finger to diffuse it. I just haven't been loving like just a super clean line recently. I feel like, because my lips are so big, it doesn't really need that definition. And if you just soften it, then it just looks a little bit like, woo, a little less crazy. So I personally feel like this technique works amazing with nudes, but if you are gonna do more of like a statement red lip or plum lip, then I would maybe just not buff it out with this, like just go for it. I mean, you could actually, it could look quite nice. Just depends what kind of look you want to go for. Okay, so we're gonna go in. This one's called Boss Tycoon. I'm like literally living for the names. Oh wow. Wow guys, so we have super glossy, super juicy. Hold up. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, wait, Danny, you didn't use that star gel glitter plus the little tool. So I personally feel like this look, I would be happy to just have it finished like this, but this will not be a full review without testing out this unique shade. So we are gonna get out our little spatula and we are gonna dive into Spotlight Stella. I hope this is how you're meant to do it. I'm not even sure if this is how you do it, guys, but I'm gonna pick some up and I'm gonna put it literally on the inside space. Not that there's any space with these eyes. Okay, so just like that, super easy to go on. It's actually really, really cool. I feel like you could also just use your finger as well if you wanted to, but if you want to pick up and put the stars in a strategic place, I think this is a really cool tool. So yeah, I'm actually really blown away by this. This is amazing. I feel like this could be really good for like loads of things. Just trying to think, well, I don't know, maybe picking up pigments and stuff, or like glitters and stuff. Anyway, let me get changed into my outfit and give you the final outro.
Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Okay, so we are back. I honestly didn't really know what to put on, so I just threw on this cute little jacket. And actually the back is really cool. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's fixing time. We forgot this. Okay, so we are also gonna use this spray. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Oh, this is insane. It smells so good. I think Morphe kind of needs to start releasing different scented sprays. That would just be amazing. That would be like epic. Okay, so that is the final look. I hope you guys have absolutely loved this video. A massive shout out again to Strash Me for the inspiration, and hopefully I have done this look justice. Overall, I would say Morphe, you have done it again. I'm a huge fan of Morphe, huge fan of Saweetie, so they are combining together and making one. I'm so excited to play with this even more. It is definitely a thumbs up from me, so remember to stay safe, guys, and until next time, I will see you soon. Bye. Bye now. Bye bye.